When intelligent inspection equipment scans a PCBA circuit board, visual inspection is a crucial step in ensuring the board's quality. The primary focus is on the integrity of the circuit board, checking for cracks, scratches, or other physical damage that could compromise its functionality. Special attention is given to solder joints to detect cold solder joints where the solder appears connected but lacks a secure bond. This can lead to unstable electrical connections or complete failure. High magnification tools, such as magnifying glasses or microscopes, are used to inspect the solder joint's shape and luster for irregularities. The equipment also examines component leads for lead deformation, such as bending, twisting, or breaking, which can prevent proper installation or cause poor electrical connections. Lead deformation not only affects circuit performance, but may also lead to more serious issues during assembly or use. Additionally, the inspection process checks for foreign object contamination, such as dust, metal debris, or other materials that could cause short circuits or impair circuit performance. Ensuring the circuit board surface is clean and free from contamination is essential for maintaining quality. For resistors and capacitors, the equipment looks for damage, including cracked casings, broken leads, or internal structural issues. Damaged components can compromise electrical performance, potentially leading to circuit failure. After the inspection is complete, the equipment will generate a detailed inspection report. An initial assessment of the PCBA circuit board's quality can be made. This report not only helps manufacturers identify and resolve issues in a timely manner, but also provides valuable data support for subsequent production processes, ensuring the reliability and stability of the final product. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you next time.